Dear teacher, teachers, so this video will help you how to organize and better performance and appearance of the Power Teacher and Gradebook. Okay, the first initial stage is enter your ID and your password. Okay, here initially you may see period number, and this is P1 means period 1, P2 means period 2, P5, P6, P7. Okay, so here this may be title of the page and you don't understand anything out of it. In such case, if you want to see in another column, your section number will give you clear idea for which section this information is related to. So for appearance of the section number in another column, let us go to personalize. Here display section number. So when you go to display section number, make this as yes, display section number on the Power Teacher home page. This setting will be effective the next time you sign into the Power Teacher. Submit, and if you go to home page, now you cannot see the section number, so you have to log out and log in again. So sign out, then sign in again. Now you can see this is the section number. Section number 10A GCSE ICT, 10B GCSE ICT, 12A GCSE ICT. Like that, 1A is year 1 and your subject will be followed here. So this gives us a clear idea for which section this information is belong to. Okay, now this is looking empty here, so that indicates that we didn't finish our marking attendance. To mark the attendance, to finish the process of marking attendance, we open the active chair. So this inactive chair means we don't have class on that day, and active chair means we have class on that day with this section. So open this chair and you will see your list of students. Even if everybody is present, submit please. Then this button will turn into green. That means you marked attendance for this section. So like that you can check attendance. Okay, so here you can see name of the student, this is their original name, and this is the English name which will appear as a middle name. Actually in database they are entering this English name in the middle name place, so that's why it is appearing in brackets. So still submit. And if you forgot to take the attendance for the earlier days, this will help you to mark for the earlier days attendance. that is showing, and you can modify 1 week early and 1 week after. So that means past 5 days and future 5 days, so including today and 4 days future. So this is the way you can see here. When this is in green color, that indicates, so here this is in green color, that is today. Okay, so wherever there is a gray color, in that day, on that day we don't have class. Here, wherever the bright shining column is there, there we can modify information by click on here. You can select the option here. Okay, this you will select only for the from the options only. So if you don't know any reason, you can mark as unknown. So this is the, if you mark somebody as with some other remarks, you can modify here. And if anybody applies leave for the coming days, you can also mark here for the coming days. Okay, so this will help to mark the attendance for the future and mark the attendance for the past 5 days. Then after modification, please don't forget to submit. If you just go back, then it will not be marked. So that is the way we can check attendance. And here, if you want to see the whole month attendance, you can see attendance for the past period. Here you can select the range of dates from when to when you want to see the attendance. Okay, when you go here, you can check here for, you can see number of tabs. This is for single day marking, this is for multi-day, and here you can edit the range from what date to what date you want to see the attendance. So our school started on 25th and students started coming in from 26th. Even if you select one day in between, it will pick up from whole week. Okay, this will help to take the whole month attendance in one printout. So this will give you brief outlook. Okay, here also you can mention about the 1 month range. Okay, so this will help. This is for certain range, this is for 1 month. And when you finish update, then it will show attendance for the whole month. So it will show attendance week by week. Here you can see. So this will help teacher for printing whole attendance in one single sheet. So you can, in every place, in every screen, wherever, whatever you are seeing, here is your print tool. You can print this from any place. If you want any clarifications, here is your help. On whatever the page you are, you can just go for the help. So it will appear on each and every page. And here is your seating plan. This is the most important area. It appears with the student photographs. If you don't understand somebody's name, so this will help to see their image and you can understand their name. And if you want to reorganize the seating chart, you can go for seating chart and move and keep in a group so that you can organize in whatever the way you want to arrange. So this will help to understand the students by their seating plan, by their locations. So after making modifications, you better save it, and this seating plan will be saved. You can organize it in any way. So you can move, you can make into groups, you can place wherever you like, then save it, and you can see this seating chart here and it will be available for you. From here also you can give attendance. From here also you can mark attendance. Then this will go into the attendance record. Okay, hope this will help you for marking attendance and finding the student some information. And one more important thing I want to show you is when you go to the starting page, this is about marking attendance. This is for the whole week or next week and for a certain period. This is the seating plan, and here is the backpack, which will help you to see the student performance, some other reports. So just click on the baggage. It is like a backpack. When you click on a backpack, it will show with all the students' name here and all your classes are here. When you want to move from one class to another class, you don't need to go back. Select the class here, then it will show the students of the selected class. Okay, now you can select a student and it will give you student information with 2 weeks of attendance. So here you can see this is for 1 week attendance last week, and this is the current week attendance. And you can also see how he is doing, how they are doing in their classes. So it will show for what class they are attending and who is their teachers, which are the classes. And here actually at present this may be not officially actively linked, but you can see information here. So the attendance, whatever the attendance you mark, that will appear here. And here is your, if you want to take the printout, you can take the printout directly from this place. And here is some other views of the reports. So you can check here cumulative grade information. Of course, we are not doing this for time being. And this is the demographic information. So it gives you some more details about your student. So this information is added by Office, and here you have graduation plan progress. Okay, we are not doing it actively now, and these are the meeting attendance. So it will show for the whole semester, for the whole year, student attendance. Okay, this is where if you want to take the printout, you can take the printout. And here is print a report, and you can take the print certain report with some options here. And here is a quick lookup. You can check and have a brief idea about students' performance. And here, these are the recommendations, and we are not doing it so far. We will start doing these recommendations in the coming days. And schedule, if you select the schedule, it will give information for which classes at what period the student is attending these classes. And here, and this is a teachers' comments. Okay, different teachers have different comments. It will show all the comments at one place, so you can take the printout and just keep it for your reference. Okay, it will give you the comments list for this student given by all the teachers. Okay, and if you want to see the student photo in bigger shape, you can see student image. Hope this will work in Power Teacher browser. We don't need to open gradebook. So to launch the gradebook, we launch it from here. And this is the daily bulletin. If principals or office or coordinators, if they post any notice, this will appear here. So you can check for the earlier notifications. Okay, you can check for the past notice. If they have any earlier notices, you can check here. So this will give whole year notice board. So like that, this is a daily bulletin. And here is the staff directory. All the staff information is available here in brief. If you want to send mail to all the teachers, you can copy all the email addresses and just paste in your mail sending. Okay, so this information will help. Okay, means we are not active, and there are some reports, and we will discuss about these reports in the coming days. I hope this information will help each and every teacher, especially section number and reports. Some student extra information will help all the teachers. Okay, let us work together and make this program successfully. Thank you.